Have you ever looked up at the night sky and wondered just how big is the universe? It's a question that has captivated humankind for millennia. The answer? The universe is mind-bogglingly huge. Imagine the largest thing you can, now multiply that by infinity, and you're still nowhere close. The universe is so vast that it's almost impossible for our human brains to truly grasp its size. We're used to thinking in terms of miles or kilometers, but those units become meaningless when we talk about the cosmos. We need a different measuring stick, something that can handle these astronomical distances. That's where the concept of light years comes in. It's not a measure of time, but of distance. The distance light travels in 1 year. And light is incredibly fast, zipping along at approximately 300,000 kilometers per second. That's 7.5 times around the Earth in just 1 second. To understand the vastness of the universe, we need to wrap our heads around this cosmic yardstick. Light from the sun, our closest star, takes about 8 minutes to reach us. That means we see the sun as it was 8 minutes ago. Everything we see in the night sky, those twinkling stars, their light has traveled for years, centuries, even millennia to reach our eyes. When we look at distant galaxies, we're looking back in time, witnessing these celestial objects as they were millions or even billions of years ago. The Andromeda Galaxy, our nearest galactic neighbor, is about 2.5 million light-years away. The light we see from Andromeda today began its journey towards us when our early ancestors were taking their first steps on 2 legs. The most distant objects we can observe are billions of light-years away. They show us the universe in its infancy, a time shortly after the Big Bang, the event that brought our universe into existence. Our solar system, with its 8 planets, countless asteroids, and 1 star we call the Sun, seems incredibly vast. Yet, it's just a tiny speck of dust in the grand scheme of our galaxy, the Milky Way. Light itself, traveling at that mind-boggling speed, still takes over 100,000 years to cross our galaxy from edge to edge. If we shrink our sun down to the size of a grapefruit, Earth would be a mere pinhead orbiting it from a distance of about 15 meters. The largest planet in our solar system, Jupiter, would be like a small marble rolling around about 78 meters away. And the next nearest star? It would be thousands of kilometers away, highlighting the immense emptiness that dominates the space between stars. Our solar system resides in one of the Milky Way's spiral arms, far from the galactic center. We're constantly orbiting the center of our galaxy, taking roughly 230 million years to complete one full rotation. That's a leisurely cosmic dance on a timescale that dwarfs human comprehension. Now, let's zoom out even further. The Milky Way, our home galaxy, is just one of billions upon billions of galaxies in the observable universe. Each of these galaxies is a vast collection of stars, gas, dust, and planets, all bound together by gravity. Some galaxies are spirals like our own, while others are elliptical, irregular, or even shaped like rings. Imagine standing on a beach, looking out at a seemingly endless ocean. Each grain of sand on that beach represents a galaxy, each one teeming with billions upon billions of stars. That's how many galaxies astronomers estimate exist in the observable universe. And the most mind-boggling part? The universe is still expanding. This means that the distances between galaxies are constantly growing, like dots on a balloon being inflated. This expansion has been happening ever since the Big Bang, and it shows no signs of slowing down. To truly appreciate the scale of the universe, let's make some incredible comparisons. How many Earths could fit inside our Sun? Over 1 million. The Sun is so massive that it contains over 99% of the mass in our entire solar system. Now consider this. If our Sun were the size of a white blood cell, our Milky Way galaxy would be the size of the contiguous United States. That's right, our entire galaxy would be shrunk down to the size of a country, and our Sun, a star that dwarfs our planet, would be microscopic. These comparisons highlight the incredible scale of the universe, a concept that can be both humbling and awe-inspiring. They remind us that we are just a small part of something much greater than ourselves. The universe is not static. It's constantly expanding, pushing the boundaries of space and time further outwards. Imagine baking a loaf of raisin bread. As the bread bakes, it expands, and the raisins within it move further apart. The universe is like that bread, and the galaxies are like the raisins. The space between galaxies is stretching, carrying them along for the cosmic ride. This expansion means that the universe was smaller in the past, and will continue to grow larger in the future. The expansion of the universe is a mind-bending concept that has profound implications for our understanding of the cosmos. It suggests that the universe had a beginning, the Big Bang, and that it will likely continue to expand indefinitely. So, how big is the universe? The answer, simply put, is that we don't know for sure. The observable universe, the portion we can see from Earth, is estimated to be about 93 billion light-years in diameter, but what lies beyond that? We can only speculate. The vastness of the universe can make us feel incredibly small. We're just one species on one planet orbiting one star in one galaxy among billions. But it should also fill us with wonder and a sense of awe. We are part of something truly extraordinary, a universe that continues to amaze and challenge our understanding of the cosmos. The next time you gaze up at the night sky, remember the incredible scale of the universe we inhabit. It's a humbling thought, but also an inspiring one. There's still so much out there to discover, so many cosmic mysteries to unravel. Our journey of exploration has only just begun. The universe is bigger and stranger than we can possibly imagine, and as it keeps expanding, so does our curiosity. Who knows what new discoveries await us in the future? If you enjoyed this journey through the cosmos, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. It really helps the channel grow. And if you're still wondering about the mysteries of space, check out our next video on 4 billion years of Earth history explained. You won't believe what we found. See you there.